Hello everyone, this is Nitin Agarwal here from Stones Forever. We are exclusive dealers and we have exclusive studio at Kateda near to Aramgarh. We have wide range of tiles with us from 4 inches by 4 inches to 10 feet by 5 feet in size and 5 mm to 20 mm thickness. Exclusively designed for high-end interior designers. We are going to be very pleased if you people visit our showroom and have a look. And we are very happy we have participated here and we are getting a very good response over here. A lot of good interiors are coming and visiting our stall. They are having a look and they are very impressed with the service products we have. So it's a very nice and good to participate here. We have nearly 2,500 varieties with us of tiles in different sizes, different textures, different finishes, where you can have all your needs fulfilled in under single one place easily and very easily we can select all the things. See, commonly things are slightly different from others, but our USP is we have a good service and prices are very competitive compared to others. And in one single place you can get all your needs of tiles fulfilled very easily. We are feeling very happy and excited right now. A lot of people are coming over here and they are praising us, they are giving good wishes to us and they are very satisfied with the things we are displaying here. And it's a good response and very energetic right now. Till day after tomorrow we will get to know what's the more response we are getting here. No, only we have right now one store at Aramgarh Circle, near to Aramgarh Circle. And there only we are fulfilling all the needs of clients.